Okay, this is just a short webinar on how to set up um, Teams for your classes. And right now, as far as I can tell, the best way to contact your students is through Teams. What I'm seeing um, when it comes to Brightspace is that all the students, if you were trying to contact students, I think you would end up contacting all the students registered in Brightspace. So Teams is easily the best way to go. So some brief steps on how to go through this, and if there's any questions, just send me a note afterwards. The first thing you need to do, anytime you're trying to set up a course at the University of Ottawa, you have to go to Maestro, and here's the address right here. You you have a login. It's basically your login for all the anytime you go into Brightspace, it's the same login that you use for that or getting into anything University of Ottawa. You go to Maestro. .uottawa.ca/en, and then there's all the options for creating courses. So obviously we don't want to set up a Brightspace course right now, but you can set up everything else here. What we're most interested in right now is creating a single course space using Microsoft Teams. So I have one last course to set up using Teams, so I'll go through it with you. So you click on Create Course, and then the courses that you are registered to teach will show up when you click on that button. I have one course here that I guess I haven't set up yet for winter 2020. Here's my section of 3150. Now, so when you do the same thing, your courses will show up as well. You click on the button there, and you go to Next Step. Course shows up. You just click on Create Course in MS Teams. Please be patient, the course is being created. So you will get a notice back as soon as the course is set up. Here you go. So this is being processed. And you see right here this pop-up new team. Maestro created a new team for this course right here. I don't know if I can show this to you. I will give it a try. If I can go to all my teams. So I'm going to, I'm just going to back to Teams, and all the different teams that I am a member of should show up. Let's see. Go to Teams. There's the Urban Community team. Go to All Teams, and my teams show up. So these are the teams that I have set up already. That's 3151 Section F, 3150 Section H, and this is 3150 Section HH. You can go in there and you can put your own design, which is what I did for the other ones. Now this is where you can actually see if I remember how to do this. You can actually see the members of your team. So this has not been populated yet, so I'll go back and show you another team that has been. This is the team that's been set up, and I haven't used it so much yet, but you can schedule a meeting, and you can also email the members of your team. So here you'll just have to fiddle around a little bit to find out how to email people on your team, because I haven't done it yet, but I did check it out before. And in here you can set up the team the way you want. So just it's a matter of figuring out at this point just how to get in touch with the rest of the students that are in your course through Teams. You get a general email address for Microsoft Teams for that particular team that you can use. That's not all that important. But once the team is set up, you can go through this and you can email everyone who's in your class.